Welcome to episode 2 of Furncare Focus, the series where we dive into topics which matter most to you. I'm Ernie, account manager here at Furncare, and I'm going to give you 4 considerations for choosing lounge chairs for your care environment. So when it comes to elderly care, picking the right seating can make a world of difference to the comfort, mobility and the well-being of your residents. It's not just about the style, it's about the durability, the safety, how functional the furniture is. So our first tip is accessibility, especially if you're using hoists in your care home for residents. So a chair like this to my left, make sure there's enough clearance underneath the chair for the hoist. 2-seater sofas or large lounge chairs should have sufficient space to ensure the staff can safely and comfortably use hoists for moving residents. Now let's talk about wings. Some chairs, like this one I'm sitting in, come with wings which provide additional head support and privacy. On the other hand, chairs without wings offer more open design, perfect for residents who want an unobstructed view or need more freedom to move around without feeling enclosed. Choice really depends on your individual residents' needs. As a general rule, it's always good to have a mix of both options. Tip number 3 is about maintenance and hygiene. In a high-use environment, it's very important to make sure you're picking up upholstery which is easy to clean and maintain. Opt for chairs in a durable upholstery like this faux leather or a nice textured vinyl which is not only aesthetically pleasing but it's hard wearing and easy to clean. A wipeable surface can go a long way in maintaining hygiene and extending the life of the chair. Finally, consider the weight and movability of the chairs. As you well know, in a care environment, chairs often need to be moved about for cleaning activities or just simply repositioned. Choose chairs that are light enough for staff to move around, but are still sturdy for the residents. Look for chairs with glides, which can make it easy for the furniture to move around without straining or damaging the flooring. We hope these tips help you to make informed decisions in your care home. If you have any questions or topics which you'd like us to cover, please be sure to drop us a comment below. Thank you for tuning into episode 2 of Furncare Focus. Please like, subscribe, share the video below. We'll see you next time.